Hello y'all! I have this mesh tubing here that I purchased around Christmas time from the Dollar Tree, and I want to show you what I made with this. I started out using this like frosted bottle of wine from Trader Joe's, and then I just added the mesh tubing all around with the hot glue gun, and then added the garland, and that's from the Wish app. At the top, I just added a champagne glass inside the wine bottle and secured it with some hot glue. And I get these little plastic ones from the Dollar Tree. To make my lampshade, I purchased this Dollar Tree bowl. It's plastic, and I purchased some lace. I'll show you that. And I just got it from the Wish app. I also got the diamond mesh from the Wish app, and I just cut it into pieces and I put it in a pattern that I liked, and then I put some detailing on the bottom as well. And then the top is actually I still have hot glue gun strings that I gotta get rid of, but the top is the bottom of the champagne glass that I put inside and glued into my wine bottle. Then of course this pearl is a pearl that I got from a necklace, like a Mardi Gras necklace, but it's a really big one. Then I just added a little detailing, and I think it turned out really cute. This Dollar Tree light you can find in the light bulb section, and it takes 3 of the little AAA batteries, and you just turn it on and off, and that is going to fit perfectly inside of my champagne glass. This is how it turned out. I think this turned out so pretty with the lace.